Okay, we're here in a holiday kitchen and we're going to be doing sweet potatoes. And when I say sweet potatoes, I like it sweet. So hang on, we're going to knock your socks off with this recipe. All right, this is what you're going to need. 4 to 6 big sweet potatoes. I like bigger the better, so I usually start off with 6. You're going to need a cup of brown sugar, a stick of butter, salt, ground cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and cloves. Just a tiny bit of cloves. I'm going to show you how to bring it all together in a simple recipe you can cook on your grill. Okay, first step, super simple. Just take your sweet potatoes, put them on your grill or your smoker. We're going to be cooking at 400 degrees. I like to put them in a tray. It just makes them easy to handle. Today we're cooking on a Traeger XL. She's sitting on 400. Let's go put these on. Now while the sweet potatoes are out on the grill getting all happy, we're going to heat up our pour-over mixture. 1 stick of butter, a cup of brown sugar, a teaspoon of ginger, cinnamon, and nutmeg, and just a sprinkle of cloves. Once you have these in your pot, you just mix it up a little bit, take it to your stove and cook it on low heat. Okay, these sweet potatoes, they were on our grill for about an hour and a half at 400 degrees. You can tell when they're done because the skins get loose. When the skin is loose, it's done. Pull them off, let them cool down a minute, and then we're going to peel them. To peel these, I usually just slice the end off, take the skin, pull it loose, like this. You can see that's nice and brown. That's nice and sweet as well. I just pull the skins off like this. Okay, they come off real easy if they're done properly. Once the skin's off, I just take my sweet potatoes and I rough chop them, just in about 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch slices, just like that. And then I'll do the rest of these. Okay, the potatoes are done. The pour-over mixture is melted. All it's left to do is assemble it and then put it back on the grill for a few minutes. So here we go. I like to put salt on this stage, just nice and salt, 1 layer, that's good. Next is your pour-over mixture. You just want to make sure that this is evenly distributed over the entire pan. Okay, this looks like it's all blended in well. Last thing we do, secret ingredient, Sugar Daddy. We're going to top it off with Sugar Daddy right before we put it back on the grill. We got our sweet potatoes off the grill. They stayed on about another 20 minutes at 400 degrees, just really letting everything incorporate. It's got a nice, light, smoky look to it. They're super soft and tender. You know what? I bet these things are going to be really, really sweet. Let's give these a taste and check it out. They're sweet. And I like all the flavors in there. I can taste the cinnamon and the cloves, a little bit of the nutmeg and ginger, and I think the Sugar Daddy just put it over the top. These are awesome. Thank you for watching the video today. The next time you want to make sweet potatoes and you want to kick it up another notch, Sugar Daddy.